Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the heartwarming realm of pumpkin soup. As the leaves turn golden and the air goes crisp, there's nothing quite like a steamy bowl of pumpkin soup to embrace that cozy feeling of the season. Join me as I explore the rich flavor and simple step-by-step recipe to create this autumn classic. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this video will leave you inspired to whip up a bowl of pumpkin goodness. It's time to celebrate the essence of fall with this irresistible allure of pumpkin soup.
To begin with, we need to divide the pumpkins into two pieces. Remove the insides and the seeds. After we have removed all the seeds, we need to cut down the pumpkins into wedges. And then we need to place the wedges into a ovenproof dish. Drizzle the pumpkins with some olive oil, a bit of salt, and a generous amount of pepper. Then put the pumpkins in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes or until they are tender. Make sure that the pumpkins are tender and then let them rest. While they're resting, pour some olive oil into a pan. Chop one big onion into large chunks. Add the onion to the pan and let them become translucent. Chop 3 cloves of garlic and add that to the pan as well. Grate a good size of ginger and add it into the pan along with 1 whole red chili pepper. Mash and finally chop a stalk of lemongrass and add it to the pan. Sauté these ingredients lightly in the pan. Remove the flesh from the pumpkin skin. Be careful, as it still can be a bit hot. Once the vegetable has sautéed lightly, add 400 milliliters of coconut milk. Grate the zest of half a lime and add it, and then add half a liter of vegetable stock. I'll include a link in the description on how to make the stock. While the soup is coming to a boil, add the pumpkin to a blender. You can also use an emulsion blender and just add the pumpkin to the pan. Then put in the sauce on top of the blender and blend the soup until it has a consistent texture. Fry some bacon in a pan. Then sprinkle the bacon on top of the soup. Add a tablespoon of cream.
And here it is, the most delicious pumpkin soup that you will ever taste. Be careful, it's hot. Wow. Oh, that's good.
Really good.
Yeah. You can almost taste the autumn. And you know what this is? This is very easy peasy. And until next time, have a good one. Bye.
Bye.